Good afternoon. My name is Jamie Kazar. I'm a student at Florence Darlington Tech, and for our English 160 project, we have to describe and explain what we're going for our future career. For my future career, it's going to be for information technology administration and management. And I'd like to start off with a quote by Steve Ballmer, which is the number one benefit of information technology is that it empowers people to do what they want to do. It lets people be creative. It lets people be productive. It lets people learn things that they didn't think they could learn before. And so, in a sense, it's all about potential. Well, at an early age, my parents saw the potential in me. I was always the spoiled kid, had to have the latest and greatest technology, always working on stuff and fixing things, and I was all the time into mechanics and how stuff worked and just the technology and physics of it. Well, at the age of 9, I received my first computer. It was a Dall shell computer using the 3.5mm floppy drives. But then I rebuilt that computer, and I ran I believe it was Windows 98 was the version that I had on it. Or it may have been earlier. But they saw the potential that I had with what I could do as far as knowing how to install the hardware, loading the software, replacing components, things of that nature. I always would be the type of person that if it's broken, then I'm going to try to fix it. If I can't fix it, then it just goes in the garbage. But I worked for Circuit City when I was 18 years old, doing computer work for them. Then I progressed on and I worked at ESOP for a little while. Moving to Nashville, I got into the auto diesel college and started doing that, but I figured that wasn't my forte. So I moved back to Florence. I worked for one of my buddies. He owns a wireless networking company, and that's really when I got into the networking and all, trying to figure out how it works, how to keep it up, date, and stuff like that. So I sat here. Well, the business got slow, so then I went to Sunoco and worked in their IT for a year as a contractor. I was let go, and then that's when I decided to pursue my networking. So now I'm going back to school now. After I worked at ESOP for 9 years, they had let me go, but I'm going back to school now, and I'm looking to pursue something in a network systems management degree. Now, my PowerPoint slide presentation is, because I didn't realize there was that many positions, but if you look at Rasmussen College, the chart that's illustrated shows the demand for the top 10 jobs, and what I'm presenting to you today is the jobs that I would be more interested in doing. There are many categories of information technology jobs, and these are the 5 that I want to talk about. Software applications developer, computer systems analyst, network systems administrator, database administrator, and information technology project manager. Okay, annual salaries and responsibilities of a software application developer. The salaries range around $95,000 a month. Projected growth is 19%. Their basic responsibilities are creating software, creating new software. They can modify current software, and they also test procedures of the software. The computer systems analyst, average salary is $82,000, projected growth 21%. This is a higher end on the projected growth, which means it's more of a demand for this job. Their duties are to study and to correct the data processing issues. They develop and test system designs and features, discuss with management recommended software, and enhance current systems so information can be shared. The network systems administrator, it has an average salary of $75,000 annually with a projected growth of 8%. That's on the lower end as compared to the other two that I described. But their basic function is they maintain the network, make sure the network is up to par and operational for corporations. They perform data backups, making sure that everybody can perform a successful data backup. Anything with a website function, cache, anything to do like that, they clear out and make sure it doesn't affect any performance for the workers that are searching on the web. And they also make sure that the employees have access to their secured network. The database administrator, average salary $80,000 with a projected growth of 11%. Their basic duties are test and maintain computer databases, administer changes and fix errors in computer databases also. They create and install security measures and provide users with different levels of security to the databases. So if you're a manager, you would need more security, or you need less security to access the databases as one would be an employee. And the information technology product manager, these guys are making the bucks. Projected growth 15%. They pretty much run the IT departments in corporations. They have to supervise other IT staff, provide specific tasks, and they're also responsible for seeing if the deadlines will be met for projects and stuff that they're working on for companies. Now, one good thing that I like about the network administration is that technology is always advancing. It's getting bigger and bigger every day. Something else is coming out new every 2 to 3 hours. The thing I like about it is you can learn as you go once you're in a career, and the demand for the IT professionals, they keep growing. It opens up new possibilities. So if you wanted to actually on the side pursue and have your own computer business, you could do that. It's a career that's always going to challenge you because just like the medical field, there's always going to be something new that you're going to have to learn. But I appreciate you taking the time to listen to me and listen about my future career as a NSM. And you have a great day. Thank you very much.